Hi everyone, welcome back to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. And I'm going to talk about my Japan hustle and my top tips for earning passive income in Japan. Really, I think setting up a business and getting people working for you is one of the best ways to do that. So one obvious answer is starting an English school. That's what I did. I've known a lot of people who have done that, started an English school or taken over an English school. A good friend of mine, Conrad, did that as well. So yeah, I started with, I started part-time teaching in my apartment and my future and now my wife's apartment. And then that grew into a full-time school. Then I opened up other branches. So yeah, we had passive income in terms of different teachers working for us and getting money coming in through that. I've since gone on to start and own a couple of guest houses, and we have those on Airbnb. I have a staff of 5, and that's passive income, and I work very little each day. Really, we're talking minutes per day, 5 minutes a day. I'm not saying it was easy. It was very difficult at first. It was a lot of work at first, but once it's all set up, it's really, really easy. Other things in terms of passive income, in terms of investing, I've just found mutual funds are easy for me. I'm saying easy a lot, aren't I? But yeah, you can invest in stocks here. The financial system is maybe not as advanced as in North America, but I think in some cases, I would say mutual funds are probably one of the easiest things you can invest in. Property is very cheap here, very reasonable. I've mentioned in other videos about Akia, the abandoned houses. So you could try to get into investing in things like that and have people rent from you or do Airbnb or something like that. If you haven't yet, check out Ben Shiron and his Retire Japan website. He's also on YouTube, and he is well worth watching. So I hope this video has helped you, and if it has, please hit like, maybe leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you very much.